that you want to eat, you can eat. Jai. This is the wife of Kasin Sinputi mother's side.
Dari pangalan
Kasin Sinputi mother's side ni Mama na champion.
Nagkinaladog sila eh.
Dapat na nag-judge ni ko. I did not judge the
Ay, usag-usag. Agaw ko no. Baik, salamat.
You can tell my arms go back into the floor. You can tell my lips to hit the floor. Or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they want their reaching nothing you no more. Don't tell my heart, my anger breaking heart. Just don't think you understand. And if you tell my heart, my anger breaking heart, it might blow up the cutest man. You can tell the dogs about my leg, or tell your brother the space can tell my lips they never really like me anyway. Or tell you all the weeds, tell anything you please. Myself already knows that I'm okay. You can tell my eyes to watch her for my ride. It might be walking down me today. Don't tell my heart, my anger breaking heart. Just don't think you understand. It doesn't tell my heart, my anger breaking heart. And my love was the cutest man. Don't tell my heart, my anger breaking heart. Just don't think you understand. It doesn't tell my heart, my anger breaking heart. And my love was the cutest man. Don't tell my heart, my anger breaking heart. Just don't think you understand. It doesn't tell my heart, my anger breaking heart. And my love was the cutest man. Once again, happy and divine. Thanks so much for having me here together with the Coca-Cola band.
Thank you, Kenneth and the Cordillera Band. We hope you enjoy your stay here in Edmonton. Just couple of reminders, guys and ladies. We shouldn't be blocking the entrance and the road. Please make sure to check your vehicles. We have a space 2 houses away from here. Penny is her name. She actually lent her space for us to park. Please check your vehicles outside of the area and please move them and park in the 2 houses near here. So again, so the designated representatives from the 30 municipalities, please bring your cooked rice at the backstage now. We're about to have our lunch in a couple of minutes. And also we have 50-50. Okay, it's the acreage for free. So thank you very much again. This is
There's
our
chicken
second
there,
time using your area, and we are grateful. Thanks for your generosity. May we call on the 4 individuals who brought in their entries for the Pinikpikan contest to come forward, please. We have 4 entries. So whoever made their Pinikpikan, please come forward.
Ramanan nyo.
kami. Baka na yung ay.
Ramanan nyo, tita
Tapi
Poy.
sa bali nito yung nag-kimway. Okay lang ba?
You cannot buy that.
Ay, dahil lang. Ito yung nalikan na nababayad.
May we call on also the judges for our Pinikpikan event. Miss Phoebe, Mr. Oliver, and Mr. Emil.
Here.
What's that?
Okay.
You like it? Don't touch.
All right. So, Peter has been a counselor here in Edmonton for 14 years. He's been first elected in 2007 to 2021 and serves for 4 terms. He is the Vice President of Alberta Municipalities Association, a recipient of the Queen Elizabeth Platinum Jubilee Medal, a recipient of the Honorary Testimonial from the Royal Canadian Humane Association for courageous or meritorious efforts in saving or attempting to save lives by putting out a fire in City Hall. His family migrated from Italy in 19... Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome. Help me welcome Mr. Tony Caterina.
Don't touch it, please.
Thank you so much for that wonderful introduction. First of all, I want to thank Alvin for the invite
Where's
and
the? I don't know.
here.
There's something inside.
Alvin and many of you here.
I'll go get you food to come. Please.
Wonderful person.
Hey, stay there, honey.
Work to go into, and I want to thank
Kasi don't touch. No, put it there. Put it back. No touching.
I'm an immigrant just like many of you are. And at the age of 6, my family immigrated here
Okay,
as
come on.
well. And I know firsthand what it takes to
Bakon and
Soy formil na pa lang.
Bakon. Sige, agta kayo man. And then we will be
Formil na pa lang.
awarding prizes. So again, congratulations to our entries. Again, a round of applause to our to the individuals who shared their Pinikpikan. Oh.
Ano siya?
Yes, actually, the award would
Are you hungry?
be a Pinikpikan with a
Are
twist.
you hungry?
So,
What do you want to eat?
oh,
Huh? What?
Tublay in Bakon and in Atok. So yeah, no, kahit yung alam. Alright, I think we're all hungry. Okay. So again,